Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Paul. I'm with Eastwind SEO, and I'm going to make you a short video showing you how to improve your online presence. I'm going to show you 3 tips that include content citations and backlinks. You spoke with Nathan earlier about this video, and here it is. I'm going to jump right into it. I have your website pulled up right here. As we look at it, it's a nice looking website. You got your call to action button right there. As you move down, some really nice pictures. You do have a form for a quote, which is great. Overall, it's a great website. I would move the form up top and possibly maybe include a chat bubble. These are just other ways to convert client or traffic, and the more ways you have to convert traffic, it's going to be better for your business. But overall, great looking website. It looks like it's well put together. I will touch on content here. We always recommend 1,500 words of content. The reason for that is Google loves to crawl content, right? They're going to go through all your content. They're going to look for, information about your business, what you do, where you service, the areas you service, what services you offer, all that stuff. And when you have keywords, these buyer intent keywords within your content, that's going to tell Google, all of the information they want to know and help them determine where they're going to place you on the search results. It is also going to help you show up more often, for relevant searches as people put those keywords into Google, searching for a product or a service. So that is my info on content right there. We're going to jump into a search that I did in Google real quick. This is just going to be exterior cleaning in Dayton, Ohio. First thing you're going to see pop up here are ads. Usually, there aren't any showing up right now, but ads are a great way to get in front of potential clients. They allow you to choose a specific audience to get your business name in front of. So you can definitely see some really good results from that. And then we have the map pack right here. So this is, your Google business profile, the top 3 right here. This is definitely a place you want to be. These guys up here in that top 3 see a good chunk of business just from being in that, top 3 map pack. So you want to have your Google business profile filled out as much as accurately as possible with all of your business information, and you want to get it into online directories. Now that's going to be anything like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. There's hundreds of online directories to get your business name into, and you're going to get citations back from that. So basically, to get in this top 3, you want to have more citations than your competition that are showing up in that area. As we move down, we have the organic search results. Another place you want to be at the top of. These guys look like they're sitting at the top right now. So if they were your direct competition, you would obviously want to outrank them. So you would definitely be able to do that with your content, your keywords, also backlinks, and a mixture of all those things. If we take a look real quick at a tool I use called Ahrefs, this is going to show me how a website is performing, all the ins and outs. It gives me a good idea of what I would need to do if I was, going to try and outrank them or just to rank higher in general on the Google search results. And we're going to focus on this section right here. We'll take a look at this UR and DR, 2 numbers that are very important. UR being a trust rating or how trustworthy your website is according to Google, a DR being a power rating or how powerful your website is. This is going to have a lot to do with your backlinks. So you basically want to get backlinks, linking back to your website. And that's going to be anything, pointing back to your website from an outside source, like another website or maybe a comment blog, something like that. The goal here is to get quality backlinks, and those are going to help you bump up those numbers. And by quality backlinks, I mean you want websites pointing back to you that are relevant to your service industry. You don't want random websites pointing back to you that could potentially, come off as spammy in Google's eyes. And that's going to hurt your numbers and also your ranking abilities in Google. If we take a look at those other guys that were sitting at the top, their UR and DR are also not very high, but they are being shown for a little more keywords and a little more, they're getting a little more traffic. This is why I stress the importance, of keywords. of that 1,500 keywords on your homepage, because it allows you to be found more often for those keywords and allows you to show up more often, in the relevant search results. Therefore, giving you more traffic, gaining more clients. That's how you're going to, make those phone rings more often and increase your traffic to your website. You could also, go through a competitor's backlink profile, and whatever backlinks are working for them, they are most likely going to work for you as well. So you could, use those backlinks to your advantage and get those backlinks yourself. That's pretty much all the information I have for you guys. You could definitely, implement these tips yourself. You will see some, good results from them if you follow these tips, or you can always reach out to us as well. I will link our information in the video and also in the email I sent out to you guys. And once again, thank you for taking the time to check out this video. We really do appreciate it. And have yourself a wonderful rest of the day.